to you, not to your daddy. And I wish you more birthdays to come and always be healthy and be safe. Thanks Lord, all of this are wishing for your happiness. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.
Hello, greetings from Hawaii. This is Jen. Happy 80th birthday sa'yo, Ate Faye. Sayang wala kami dyan, but I know you're doing, continue mo lang yan. And wishing you good health and many more birthdays to come. See you soon.
Happy birthday, Ate Faye. Sorry, Mom. You are our first baby girl. Love you.
Una sa lahat, kamusta ka na dyan? Batayin mo lang magpiligo, wala iba tinatamang akong pay-out sa CV. Sana take good care of your health, long life, and mag-aaral mabuti. Kumusta na lang mga kapatid ni Lisette at lola mo? Bye! Enjoy! Dance and dance! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you!
Hi, Faye! Wow, debutant! Happy 18th birthday! Have a fabulous birthday! I wish you all the best. Have fun. And you always take care of yourself. You're an adult now. Pwede na kumuha ng driver's license. But drive safely. Miss na kita. Kay Aliyah. Sayang, wala kami dyan. Ni Uncle Chen, ni Bata, at saka ni Lolo Tatay Bating. Pero, ang importante, mag-enjoy ka sa special day. And mag-iingat palagi. Take care and God bless you and your family. Happy birthday. Bye!
Hello Faye, happy birthday. Here's wishing you the best of everything. Study harder, continue to make your parents proud. Napakabait mong bata simula pa noon. Nabawi ako pag-uwi ko. Happy birthday. God bless.
Happy birthday, Ate Faye. More birthdays to come. I love you.
Hi Faye, good morning. Happy 18th birthday. Sana mag-enjoy ka sa kaarawan mo. Wishing you all the best in life. Mag-aral ka muna mabuti, no boyfriend muna. Magtapos muna sa pag-aaral, okay? God bless. Thank you.